Hello, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all will be fine. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video we discuss about how to earn money from trading business. So let's start the video. First of all, you click on your browser. When you click your browser, this page will be opened. You just click in the search bar and search how to earn money from trading business. When you search how to earn money from trading business, the website page will be opened. You just scroll down and click in this website, how to do trader make money. When you click this website, the page will be opened of how to make money from trading. There are multiple tasks of market strategies and the styles of you can be buy and the traders make money. As a whole, trader make money with the speculative and you have to own the rises of fall and prices of financial instrument. These are various market orders to speculate of your stock options, forex, crypto, commodities and the fixed income for other derivations. Trader place buying or selling orders to the end of with profit of their trade thesis and correct and the losses is not one. Below of you have to give comprehensive explanation for various possibilities on how to traders make money. First of all, we discuss the various market trader can make money online. There are numerous markets where trader can participate with you have to buyer and sellers to make money. You have to properly hear about of your stock market, your options market, the forex of your marketing and crypto market of the future marketing is the commendations market. Each market offers the various financial instrument trading and you buy the sale of profit from change in prices. We are going to go throughout these various markets and how to trade make money in each. How is a stock trader and how to make money? Stock trader and individual or group are to make money from your rises and fall from company stock prices throughout buying and selling. The amount of your money and stock traders make are determined by the prices of throughout size of position and they are dollars value of the stock share prices move on their favor and some basic ways to stock trader make money. Buy low and sell high. This is the method throughout which we stock trader is the buying for stock when you have to cheap and sell it off the higher price in the future. Imagine 1998 and the thing of Amazon could be have to growth much more in the currently in the couple of decided and that decided for the buy of $5,000 growth of the Amazon seller within the $5 per share which is would be have to 1,000 shares to decide it later and return of your trade with the find of your stock prices of Amazon is now over $2,500 per share. You own 1,000 shares of Amazon at the end of $2,500 per share. You are initial 5K investment and growth of $2.5 million. You have happened to buy Amazon when you have to low and your heart correctly amuses. It would be have to gain a prices of selling higher. This is the one of simply ways to in which you have to can buy low and sell high. Short selling. Another way you have to make money throughout your stock and call selling of short. And this is opposite to the example of below here. Here is a goal of you and high of the buy and where lower. Let's imagine it's a 2007 and you were worried about your housing crisis and you have to might affected bank who are on the mortgage back secrets and you have to rampantly trade it. Technically is a grower and the share of your someone on the them and sell them. You have to buy them back up for your low prices and packaging for difference. Dividends. Over of the unique we have to stock trader markets and money to the buying dividend stock. Dividend stock are the stock of companies that pay the income of their investors quarterly and annually. You have to dividends which is a small distribution cash and companies of shareholder. This is done by the divided of owning their stock. It is the dividend of shareholder gets to the often of percentage and their investment. Hence, every time is dividend given by the company of scheduled dates and per year you can either of dividend procedure and you have to put on the accounts. These are dividends reinvested and more shares of increasing their size and position. Traders who are often to seek dividends are looking for the passive income and say don't have to anything to get your dividend and dividends income. Who is the featured trade and how to do make money? A feature of the trade and the futures of contract to the broker and buy sale of your financial instrument and you have to earn a price agreed with the time of. Imagine you think the prices of commonly for your rice and the next 6 months. Future allow to the get into and contract for your mandates and buy the commodity through December to agreed prices of you don't have to close it before. The future contract rate, the contract win is the broker of the dealer And when the December comes to the commodity increases the price of periodic and the profit. But instead of you buying the check for your price and you can be buy it lower, agreed upon of the prices. The difference between is the current prices and the prices of the purchase at is your profit.